Hello, we've never got making this ring in T-splines. It was something that's come up on the forum, which is www.3dcadjewelry.com. Jewelry spelt the American way, the wrong way. Use the English language, so it should be spelt the way we spell it. You know, it's just my opinion, but there you go. But then again, if it's easy to decipher them, fair enough. So what have we got? Eric's made this on the forum, and he's made a really nice job of filleting all the edges and blending everything in. I think it was made in Naked Rhino with a VSR shape tool plugin. I'm not sure if that's the name. I watched a video it's on the forum regarding building it. So the conversation come up between us that may be able to make it in T-splines and to get all these flowing edges and all these fillets. So that's what I'm going to have a go at doing today. So we'll give that a go. So we'll start off in the top view with a hexagonal shape. I'm not really sure of sizes and stuff, so I'm just going to guess it. I don't know, something like that. And then what we're going to do with that is fillet the edges, or fillet the corners, should I say. So fillet the corners, the radius 1/2 mil, that'll do. Let's just tuck the edges off there, but what that's more importantly done is change that from a 1 degree curve, I think, into a 2, but we can rebuild that into a 3 in a minute, which is what we want. And then what we're going to do is copy that. Oh, before we do that though, we need to check where the seam is. CRVC. So it's there. Now what we'll do with that is just drag it back so it's out of the way. It probably won't really affect this model, but I tend to find that if you have a seam where you build in the curve, it's a closed curve, so that's the beginning and the end basically. Where you're doing T-splines from, then it can present some problems. So what we'll do now is copy that in place, and then we'll transform that and scale it 2D. Bring it into, I don't know, how big's that? Something like that. That's quite big, but we can see, can't we? And then in the front view, I'll just pop that up there, something like that. Again, I haven't got any sizes, so we'll just see what we can do. And then we'll go from the quad to the quad, and there we have our curve built up ready for T-spline. So we'll select that, and we're going to T-splines pipe. Now that's pretty awful, that's probably because that's set too big, so we'll set that to a radius, I don't know, 0.45, something like that. That's not big enough. 0.6 maybe then. Oh no, that's 6 milli I think. 0.6. Now we see we've got this twist here. Now we want to try and avoid that, so let's go to 0.7. No, so we're going back down. 0.5. 0.4. Yeah, that'll do us better. Try and keep that smooth. You can always change the size of it later. So that's giving us that. Okay, what we'll do is turn that on. We'll go into T-splines. Now, oh, it's giving us quite a lot of points here, which is what I actually want. So that's cool. And we're going to draw some more set outlines now. So if we go from the centre of the world, if you press smaller than, so it's shift and smaller man, 30, that constrains that to 30° intervals. So we'll do the same again. Could have moved it, but so it's shift smaller than 30. There we go. Just some working lines. And what we're going to do now, select that one. Oops. And then, I'll tell you what, we'll keep these lines. So, cell curve. I'll tell you what I have to do. Turn that off. Cell curve. And then, but we don't want them. So, let's put them into curves. I'll just turn them off for now so they don't get in our way. Team slides back on again. That one. And all I want to do now is to get rid of some of these faces, or all of these faces, because we don't need them. Bit of a boring job, but it's all in a day's work. Right, we'll probably leave that at that, to be honest. So now what we want to do, turn T-splines off. To go into this, select that. And we want to go solid, surface, extrude curve straight, both sides, something like that. And what we want to do with them is join them together. Or I could have just joined the put that on a different layer, put on the red layer, and then we'll just lock it for now so we can select what we want. And then we're going to turn T-splines back on, and we're going to select that one. Oops, not that one. Double click on the edge that you want, and I'll select them all. Yeah, no, that's what we'll do before we do that. Let's get rid of that for now. It's maybe a bit quicker. And we're going to select them. Okay. Then we're going to press Alt to extrude these down and try and keep that nicely in line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, something like that. Now, if we go into this, obviously we've built all these surfaces here which we don't actually need, so we'll get rid of them. And also, these ones are pulled in. Oops, not that one. I suppose you could do this to scale, but it's just easier for me to do it this way. Same here, get rid of all them. Get rid of this. I'll turn it off. T-splines, flip. Click onto that. There we go. Alright, so now we'll go back into, oops, back into that. Now double click, double click, double click, double click, and we'll turn our red layer back on, unlock it, and then what we're going to do now is a smiley face, T-splines pull, and we'll click to that. And what that's done is pulled all them back. Okay, select that one. Now what we're going to do is add symmetry, radial symmetry. So we'll add a radial segment 6, centre of rotation 4, and then we'll go from there to there. Okay. I need to just weld them. So let's go weld edges. There we go. Weld edges. Okay, and that's added our symmetry now. So now what we need to do is, let's have a look. I suppose we can get rid of these for now. Put them into our white basket. And we want to start doing a bit of deleting. So if we go to that one, that's square on, bit faces. Oops. Yeah, because they're quite wide, so let's delete that. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Delete that. These are quite wide, but we can tune that up later. Now select edges. Well, let's do that. So we'll go a bit laborious, but hey, we love it. So you've got to make sure you delete the amount of faces. Oops. Okie dokie. Now we want to bridge that with one segment swamp. Right. Now let's bring them around to there and there. Make sure they're going the same way, which they are. We'll put that in there like that. I'm not so keen on this bit here, but we'll see. Okay. So let's have a look now. We want to put a ring size in, don't we? F4, I don't know, 17, something like that. And then let's select all that, drag that up to, I don't know, about there. Yeah, something like that. Now that looks a little bit big maybe. So what I'm going to do is bring the curves back and select them, and then I'm going to scale. I'll have to take them off, aren't I? That and that, doesn't matter. And then I'm going to scale that just a touch more. And get rid of the curves again. Still might be a bit big, that mightn't it? I don't know. Let's try again, bring our curves back. That's alright, that's not got them this time, and then scale it in a little bit smaller again. Yep, and then hide our curves. Okay. Now we want to offset that. Hang on, turn T-splines off, offset that. I don't know, 2 mils or something. So let's offset actually 1 mil. Oh. One button, there we go. Yeah, something like that. And then we'll extrude this. Surface, extrude curve straight, just like that. What we'll do with that is cap it. There we go. I think that one's going up a little bit higher. Maybe. I don't know. It's back where it was, I think. Well, we'll go in there. We'll go in there. Right, now what we need to do in that view, bring our T-splines back on. And select that one, and then sweep that control on the way, and then we need to do the smiley face again and do that onto that. Okay. Oh, that's not good. So let's put that on and turn it off. Let's put that onto that colour for now. Turn it off. And let's go into this now and select these. I know why. I know why. Oh, that's not good, look. There we go. Okay, the reason why it went all funny is because it's still got symmetry on. So what I'm going to do before I do that is just have a way up and see if anything needs adjusting. So if we go from, let's pick that. Yeah, we're getting there now. I think maybe them could be pulled out a little touch. Make it sweepier. There's my red line. Yep, that'll do. So let's scale them. Oh, that way. They won't go in smaller. They're the same. Where's the red line? Green line. Says my line planes up. So let's go up. else is selected there, like that. So not good there. Not selected as should be. Nothing. She's back. Oh, why then? The other back. Come on, man. Like that. I'm leaving it, I'm not messing. Just say like a bit chunky, mind you, they're quite chunky now, so we'll go for that. Right, so what we need to do now is put it back into that mode, it works a lot quicker, and then symmetry off, there we go. And then we need to I think I was struggling because I've got recording software on and all sorts going, so it's just a little bit too much. It doesn't update quick enough. There we go. So let's bring that back, and then we're going to do smiley face. That one onto that one. There we go. There's not much left of that, is there? So let's Z out of that and select all that and drag it up a touch. Oh. I never checked. Okay. So let's get rid of that. Oh, do you know, having a deja vu, glitch in the program. Let's click around there with that. Okay, bring our green box back. Our smiley face, I'm going to go to that. Yay! It's worked. But I need to bring, which ones is it? These two down. So if we let's have a look. Select that. Yeah. Let's go to that green thing. That. Okay, and then we want to select that. But then we want to move that. We want to set the axis, so it's that. And then we just want to move that down a bit, a touch. And the same with this. And we want to set the axis there and there, and then we want to just bring that down so it matches that side if we can. That's not in the middle again, you know. Oh. Strange things are afoot. I do for all intents and purposes. Okay, now what we need to do, same thing on the other side. So I'll select that, that, that. Reposition, we'll go there and there. Lock that on. Oh, come on. There and there. Oh. Start again. We want that. Yep. That. Yep. That. And then we want to reposition that. One there, and there. And then we want to look at that. Bring that down there. And then we want to reposition that there and there and that. Bring that down. So it's equal with that. And then what we'll do is Tsplines, repair, make uniform, click on that, and that just relaxes everything a little bit. Okay. And now Tspline. And we want segments, a few less. 61, yeah, a few less. 25. No, I reckon more. Less 20. Yeah, something like that, as long as we've got that at the top. Yeah, that's a bit thin, so let's click into it again, and add a handle. And there. You've got to remove a handle there and there. Oh. Right, having problems with this. Rebuild. We'll go. CRVC, and let's move that around to the quad. Turn some of these off. Want the quad on in mid point. Let's go there, yep. And then Tspline. definitely moved. It says it's 17. I can't remember now. Don't matter anyway, does it? We want that about a mile away, something like that. Right, let's pipe that. Add a handle. Let's set the radius to 1 mil. That's looking a bit better. But I think this wants to be slightly smaller. So let's pull that into 0.9. Okay. Let's select that and put that on purple. I'll turn it off for a minute. No, leave it on, but lock it. Yeah. Right, and then yeah, something like that. Okay, and now we want to select lines. We'll add a crease, and insert an edge. Simple. Both sides on. About 0.2. Yeah. Oh my goodness. That is odd. Must have something about somewhere. Insert a crease. Simple. Both sides. There we go. Took a lot of doing, didn't it, for some reason? Never mind. Delete them. Delete them. Delete them. Oh. Bring our ring-a-linger back. Oh, actually, we'll keep them. and then I go on to the faces, and yeah, sort that faces out, it's to do my heading, but anyway, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, so we'll 3, oh, 1, 2, 3, oh, 1, 2, 3, we'll delete them, and then we'll go edges, and we'll go dit, dit, dit. And then we'll have to draw around this one. Oops. So we've got 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The edges have to match. And then we'll bridge that. Bridge. And that with just one segment. And then we'll do the same on this side. Select them. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Delete. Edges. Go away with you. Okay, and we'll bridge that. Yep, that's right. Okay. So now we can put that into that mode, and we're getting somewhere. We're cooking, Mr. Penguin. So let's set that mode, and then look at it in rendered. Went up a little bit, but it's a little bit thin here, I think, maybe. And this mesh will look a lot better when I turn it up, but if I turn the mesh down with a computer like this, it'll kill it. I think they could do with coming down a bit there, couldn't we? Let's have a look at doing that. Okay. So, faces, tear shiny, that's what I was looking for. Yeah, that one coming down, definitely. Should have maybe left a row of I wrote him when I deleted him, but hey. So we'll do. If you don't want anything crossing, it messes it up. So soon find out. A little bit thicker, probably do it a bit more, but I'm just concerned about them. Try again. Maybe we'll do that. Much easier this if they run it when symmetry was on, but to split it all up again and it's not happening. That's a little bit better, isn't it? And then bring our curves back. Okay. Sweep 2, let's turn T-splines off. Surface, sweep 2 rails, 1 rail, 2 rail, that way. Okay. And then let's offset surface the other way, flip all. 0.3, I don't know, it's got to be more than that really on it, but 0.4. Oops. Oh. Something like that. No, it's not much, a bit thicker, doesn't it? thought that might happen. Really missing box mode, but I'm not stopping now. A bit more. So let's Tspline, repair, make uniform. A bit ugly there. Now we're pulling that down, but anyway, I'm not messing about anymore with it. So copy that. Oops, copy that. In place. Put that onto that one. Turn that one off. Oop. Oh, that one. Turn that one off. Turn that one on. What's that looking like there? That's bad. And Boolean them together. Considering T-splines, that'd be a mare. Will it work? Yes, there you go. And that's something like it. The only bit that's craps in there, but say you can just pull them out, shift about with them. Not too bad, to be honest. Analyze surface environment map. Oh, look at that, sunshiny. It's a gold one. Right, so what I need to do now on this, there's a mesh, that one, makes it nicer to turn the mesh up. No, it won't because, anyway, there we go. some stones putting on it now and prongs, and not far off. I hope that's been of some help anyway. It's a bit thin there as well, isn't it? Just what's pulling out. Wow, very thin. But should we do it? Should we do it? Yeah. Whereas I think I'll end up losing the. That's why our Tspline man's on. You gotta love Tsplines. You just gotta love it, haven't you? So there we go. Nice and Tspliney. I hope that helps anyway. And that's in about 53 minutes it's took me. I reckon you could do it in half an hour on a good one. Alright, thanks a lot. Speak to you all soon. Cheers now, bye.